In this video, I'll show you how to repost a post on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, let's say you saw a very insightful and an important post here on LinkedIn, right? And you want to just like repost it, right, on your timeline. What you're gonna do right here is very easy. It's very easy. You can see this right here, right? I'm gonna click on repost. We'll repost it, right? So I just reposted. Okay, I'm gonna click on the view post. I just reposted this post on my LinkedIn timeline, right, on my profile. So this is basically how you can repost a post on your LinkedIn, right? If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one. You can see this how to do reposted, so it's very easy.